Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about agentic process automation. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we will learn about agentic process automation, and then we will learn about key features of APA and applications of APA, and then we will learn about what is the difference between agentic process automation and robotic process automation. So the first question is, what is agentic process automation? Agentic process automation is an advanced form of automation that goes beyond traditional robotic process automation. While RPA focuses on automating repetitive tasks, rule-based tasks, APA incorporates elements of artificial intelligence and machine learning to handle more complex tasks that require decision-making, learning, and adaptability. Right? So APA has the capability of using artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate the tasks. So what are the features of APA, which is agentic process automation? First one is that intelligent decision making. APA systems can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on real-time inputs. Learning and adaptability. Unlike RPA, which follows strict rules, APA can learn from data and adapt to changing conditions. APA is also capable of handling complex tasks. APA is designed to manage tasks that involve multiple decision points and dynamic variables. Continuous improvement. A defining feature of APA is its capability for self-improvement. AI agents continuously learn from their interactions and outcomes, refining their processes and decision-making abilities over time. So APA can learn from the data on its own, which improves the task automation. Seamless integration. APA offers seamless integration with a wide range of tools and platforms, from enterprise software to communication tools. This integration capability ensures that APA can be incorporated into existing IT infrastructure with minimal disruption, enhancing its utility and effectiveness across different business environments. Integration of the systems are very easy with agentic process automation. Faster implementation. Compared to traditional RPA, which often requires lengthy setup and manual configuration, APA allows for quicker deployment. Thanks to automated workflow construction and dynamic adaptability, businesses can implement APA more swiftly and accelerate their return on investment. Now we will learn about applications of APA. Customer service, handling complex customer inquiries that require real-time decision-making. Healthcare, managing patient data and making predictive analysis for better health outcomes. Finance, automating complex financial processes like fraud detection and risk management. So with the help of APA, you can do the fraud detection and also manage the risks. APA represents a significant evolution in automation technology, enabling businesses to streamline operations and improve efficiency in ways that traditional RPA cannot. Right? Since it uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, its efficiency is much more higher than robotic process automation. Now we will learn about the differences between APA and RPA. So first feature is intelligence. APA incorporates AI and ML for decision making, and robotic process automation follows predefined rules and scripts. Adaptability, can adapt to changing conditions and learn from the data. So that is the capability of agentic process automation, but RPA is limited to the rules it is programmed with, right? Another feature is complexity of tasks. So APA can handle complex tasks with multiple decision points, and RPA is best suited for repetitive and rule-based tasks. Decision making. APA is capable of real-time decision making based on data analysis, as we know that APA can learn from the data on its own, while RPA executes tasks based on predefined rules without decision making. Next feature is learning capability. APA continuously learns and improves from the data, as we discussed, and RPA, it is not capable of learning and it remains static in nature. Next feature is application. It is suitable for dynamic environments like customer service, healthcare, and finances, while RPA is ideal for back office operations, data entry, and simple workflows. Implementation: APA requires more sophisticated setup and integration, and RPA is easier and quicker to implement. So this is all about the agentic process automation. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.